How to delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram. So first off, I'm gonna go to my profile right here and I'm going to select the post which has multiple photos added to it. For example, this one. As you can see, this post has 3 photos added here. Now, if I want to delete one of those, first off, you need to know that the post needs to have at least 3 pictures in order to have this option to delete it. So now I'm going to click on the 3 dots right here. And then we want to select edit. After you're taken to this page, you want to scroll up until you see the little trash can in the top left corner. So we can go scroll through the photos and select which one we want to delete. So for example, this one, just press on the trash can icon and just click on delete. If we try to save it, it might say something like this, but that's not true. If we go back and wait a little bit, the changes will be saved, and you no longer will have 3 photos in your post. So it's just an error like that. Thank you for watching. If this helped you out, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.